Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to fix your guitar if a string gets stuck in this little area here. All right, let's just jump right into it. So I had this B string and it pretty much got stuck in there to the point that it snapped off entirely. In here though, you can see there's like an inch of that string left, and on this side, there's the little ball that connects the string into this little chamber. All right, so to start, you can see that there's a little bit of oil on this. This is because this is the method that actually worked for me. At first I tried to use some tools like a screwdriver, so I was able to push the string out like this, but nothing was budging. I kept trying to push it so many different ways, tried pulling on the back here, and it just wasn't coming out. It got so stuck, and halfway working on it, the string broke off, which made it even harder to work on. I should note, some guitars have little pins at the top here, and that's going to be the main way you take out these balls. And if you do have a pin, you might be able to use some kind of wrench or some kind of tool similar to that, like a bottle opener, to take that pin off. There's pin removal tools that make it super easy, and those are pretty cheap too, and it's pretty much just the function of removing the pin. But in this guitar, the Ovation, there's no pins on the top, so I had to go through the method of taking the ball up from the string out this way. Some other tools you can use on this area are things like pliers or any fine type of tool that can really get into that little crevice right there and push it through. But what actually really worked for me, and the reason why you can see some oil here, is because I used WD-40 and I put it on the tip of the screwdriver, and then I pushed around here and just tried to get some of that tiny bit of oil in between the little holes from this string and the ball over here, in between there. Just trying to get that lubricated a bit. And as soon as I let that sit for about 10 minutes, this just immediately came out like that. So this is an awesome fix. I was struggling with this for a couple days, and I was pretty amazed at just how fast some kind of oil like that can really loosen this up. You have to be really careful though, because I didn't use much at all, and just that little extra I used, you can see the gloss of this guitar, you can see that there's tons of oil left over here. So I'm gonna have to wipe this off now and just clean this up. But if you did end up spilling more, it could warp the guitar, so you have to be very careful. Now I can use this new string and restring my guitar. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please put a like on this video to tell YouTube it's a good video so we can show it to more guitar players like yourself. And please subscribe to my channel to see more great guides just like this. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.